So we're going to be making double decreases. So this is slide 2, knit 1 and pass the 2 over. And these decreases are used a lot on lace. So we're going to go until we get to 1 before the center one. So we want to have the center one and 1 before. So now you want to pass these 2 stitches together knitwise to your right hand needle, and then you want to knit the next, and these 2 you want to pass them together over the last stitch, and now you have a double decrease, s2kp2.